In this video I'm going to show you how you can download, sign up and play Aion 2. First you want to click the link that is pinned as a comment and you will click on download Windows version. This is going to begin downloading it, and right here once this downloads we can proceed. You will just click on purple installer. So once you click on it, it's going to ask for confirmation and we will just install this. So we're going to click on install and wait for this client to be installed. Okay, so I'm just going to pause and come back. Okay, so once it installs, you can click on finish here and run purple. This is going to load up the game client essentially. Okay, so while we wait for this to load, then here you will see login, or you can sign in with a different account. If you don't have an account, you will need to join purple. So we're going to click on join purple and it's going to take us to this page. Select the sign up method. So we're going to click on sign up with email address, and I'm going to walk you through the process itself. So right here you will need to choose Taiwan as your country and you will need to write your date of birth. So I'm just going to do that, and you will need to agree to these terms and you will click on next. Available games vary depending on your location. Would you like to sign up with information selected? You will click on confirm. Okay, so this is going to be the account email section. So you want to type your email and you will send verification email. And you will need to check the folder and confirm the code here. So I'm just going to type my code. Once you have confirmed your code here, then you can set a password. So I'm just going to do that real quick. I'm going to create a password for my account and I'm going to click on next. Okay, so it is completed and we can get started now. So we're going to go back to the client and we're going to log in with email. So right here it's going to ask us for the email which we just registered. We're going to click on next and it's going to ask for the password which we just set. I'm going to log in and this is going to sign us into the game client. So we're going to give it some time here to load. It shouldn't ask for any VPN or anything like that. It is just going to load up directly. Okay, and here I'm going to click on next, done. All right, so as you can see here, we have Aion 2. You want to click on play now, and then we will choose install game. Then you have to choose where this is going to be installed. And we're going to also create a desktop shortcut. So we're going to click on start installation, and it's going to start checking and then installing. And here you can track the process itself. And basically once this completes or downloads and installs, then you will be able to play Aion 2. So I hope this helps. Leave a like and sub, and I'll see you next time.